Most guys have it all wrong. They think women are only turned on by looks, money, or smooth pickup lines. But what actually triggers deep attraction in a woman's mind goes way beyond the surface. In this video, we'll break down 10 powerful psychological triggers that really turn women on so you can stop guessing and start understanding. 1. Confidence without arrogance. Confidence is the foundation. It's not about bragging or acting like you're better than everyone else. True confidence is quiet, calm, and self-assured. It's walking into a room without needing to prove anything. Women feel safe and excited around a man who is comfortable in his own skin. 2. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is massively underrated. It means you know how to handle your emotions, communicate clearly, and empathize with hers. A guy who listens, understands, and responds instead of reacting creates an emotional bond that's irresistible. 3. A sense of humor. Humor is one of the fastest ways to lower barriers. When you make her laugh, her brain literally releases feel-good chemicals that she associates with you. Playfulness creates a light, flirty energy, and that's often the spark that leads to deeper attraction. 4. Presence and attention. When you're with her, be with her. Put away distractions, look her in the eye, and listen. Most men only half listen. But a man who gives a woman his full presence makes her feel seen, valued, and desired. That's a huge turn-on. 5. Ambition and drive. Women are drawn to men with a sense of purpose. It's not about chasing millions or being a CEO. It's about having goals, direction, and passion for something. Ambition shows you're not stagnant, that you're moving forward in life. That energy is magnetic. 6. Social proof and status. Whether we admit it or not, women notice how others treat you. If you're respected in your circle, admired by friends, or looked up to by peers, it sends a signal you're valuable. Social proof is a subconscious attraction trigger that says, this man is worth paying attention to. 7. Mystery and intrigue. Don't lay all your cards on the table right away. Women are turned on by curiosity. If she feels there's more to discover about you, her mind keeps coming back. Mystery isn't about playing games. It's about being layered, having depth, and revealing yourself gradually. 8. Masculine energy and leadership. Masculinity isn't about being controlling or aggressive. It's about strength, direction, and the ability to take the lead when needed. Opening the door, making a decision, guiding without being domineering, these small acts create a dynamic that women find incredibly attractive. 9. Passion and enthusiasm. Nothing is sexier than passion. When you talk about something you love, whether it's your career, a hobby, or a mission, it shows vitality. That spark of enthusiasm inspires her, excites her, and makes her want to be part of your world. 10. Emotional safety. And finally, emotional safety. If a woman feels she can open up to you without being judged, criticized, or dismissed, you've unlocked one of the deepest forms of attraction. Safety doesn't sound sexy at first, but trust me, it's what allows her to relax, connect, and fully desire you. So here's the truth. What really turns women on has less to do with looks and more to do with psychology. Confidence, emotional intelligence, humor, presence, ambition, social proof, mystery, masculinity, passion, and emotional safety. Master these triggers, and you'll stop chasing attraction and start creating it naturally. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and remember, attraction is built, not begged for. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more eye-opening relationship insights, and don't forget to tap the notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.